In today's video, I'm going to walk you through how to change the voice in ChatGPT. So if you don't like the voice, it might be a man, it might be a woman, it might have a British accent, you want to change it up, I'm going to show you how to do that. My name's Dina Colada, and I share cool, practical AI and tech tips on YouTube. I build custom double-trained bots that actually work in your business. If you're into that kind of thing, like the video, subscribe, and hit the bell for more. Now let's go ahead and get into it. The first thing you're going to want to do is log into your ChatGPT account, and then on the bottom left-hand side, you'll see your name. I have the Plus account, it's like $20. So click that, and then go ahead and click the gear where it says Settings. You can see all of these different things inside of ChatGPT. We're going to scroll down under the General tab where it says Voice. So you can go ahead and click play and see what voice is in your ChatGPT. So this is if you talk to ChatGPT. Let's go ahead and see what it sounds like.
Hi there. I just want to share how thrilled I am to work with you, and I can't wait to get started.
Awesome. Now, if you want to change that, you don't like that guy's voice, click where it says Cove. It's a gray bubble with a drop down. When you mouse over it, then you can listen to all the different voices.
Hello, it's lovely to meet you.
All right, let's go ahead and listen to all of these. Here's Spruce.
Hey, how's it going? I'm looking forward to working together.
Oh, I like Spruce. He sounds smooth. Here's Breeze.
Hey, it's great to meet you.
That's a chipper one. Here's Maple's voice.
Hi there. Nice to meet you.
All right, let's go to Arbor.
Hi, glad to meet you.
Totally different voices.
Hi there. I just want to share how thrilled I am to work with you.
It's the one I've been using lately. Here's Ember.
Hey, I'm ready to hit the ground running.
Okay, let's go ahead and listen to the last
Hey,
one.
what's up? Feel free to ask me about anything that's up.
We've got Soul. Here's Juniper.
Hey there. I've got a really great feeling about us teaming up.
Okay, I'm going to go back with Cove. That's what I've been used to. So it should be saved. So let's go ahead and go into ChatGPT and see if Cove is still in there. I'm going to hit this use voice mode here. And we're going to allow the microphone. Hey, ChatGPT, I just wanted to check and see which voice mode you have. Did you save the one that I picked, Cove?
I don't have a saved voice mode from you, but right now I'm using a warm, engaging conversational tone. Kind of witty, a little sassy, and definitely clever. If you want to tweak it, just let me know.
Okay, so ChatGPT might think it's a specific brand voice, but I was just asking about the voice. But let's go ahead and change it to a different one and see if it saves, just to make sure. Let's go to your name on the left bottom corner, click Settings, go down to Voice, and we're going to pick a different one.
Hey, it's great to meet you. How's your day going?
Let's try Spruce.
Hey, how's it going? I'm looking for...
Okay, I'm going to pick Spruce. Now we're going to go back to the ChatGPT voice mode and see if Spruce is in there. Hey, I wanted to see if you were available to chat.
Absolutely, I'm here and ready to chat. What's on your mind today?
Spruce is here for me. Awesome. So that's all you have to do to change your voice settings in ChatGPT when you're in voice mode. Oh, and before you go, check out the links in the description below because I've got 2 bots you can try in the ChatGPT store. One is free. Actually, they're both free. One's to help you get brand clarity on who you help, what your offer is, and the other one is the Human Bot Lite, and it creates 3 on-brand social posts for you. And I also wanted to let you know that I'm going to start giving away some freebies that I'm creating, some really cool custom GPTs. And if you search my name, Dina Colada, in the ChatGPT store, the recording as of today, I have 2 GPTs in there. I have the Human Bot Lite, and I also have the Brand Clarity Bot. I hope this video has been helpful. So please follow, like, and subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next video.